Hello beautiful soul, welcome to Infinite Manifestations. In this profound 12-minute video, we will delve into the depths of clarity and alignment, unlocking the secrets to manifesting specific desires when emotions and uncertainty cloud your path. Prepare to embark on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment as we unravel the mysteries of manifestation without the constraints of emotional attachment. Let's begin. The big questions I received recently are the following. How can someone manifest a specific goal? How do you manifest when you don't feel or know what to feel, what you want to manifest? And is it possible to manifest something specific when you can't live in the wish fulfilled? The short answer is, yes you can. Now picture this. You find yourself in a moment where emotions elude you, and uncertainty veils your path to manifestation. But fear not, for within you lies the untapped potential to awaken the beacon of clarity that will illuminate your desires and intentions. Please don't give up no matter what, because there are different manifestation techniques you perhaps haven't tried yet. The beauty of manifestation is that you can pick everything that resonates with you and leave anything aside that doesn't. I would guess the most known manifestation techniques are the law of attraction and the law of assumption. The law of attraction states that like attracts like. It is a fundamental law of the universe, operating on the premise that our thoughts, emotions, beliefs, and actions emit a vibrational frequency that aligns us with corresponding experiences and manifestations in our reality. In simpler terms, the energy you emit is the energy you attract. Every thought and emotion you hold carries a specific vibrational frequency. When you focus your thoughts and emotions on a particular desire or intention, you send out a vibrational signal into the universe. This signal acts as a magnetic force, drawing towards you people, circumstances, and opportunities that resonate with the frequency you are emitting. The law of attraction operates in harmony with the principle of manifestation. By aligning your thoughts, emotions, beliefs, and actions with what you want to attract, you become a deliberate creator of your reality. As you harness the power of positive thinking, visualize your desires, and cultivate a deep sense of belief and gratitude, you raise your vibrational frequency and align yourself with the very experiences you seek. However, it is essential to understand that the law of attraction is not solely about wishful thinking. It is not a magic wand that instantly manifests your desires without effort or action. Rather, it is a co-creative dance between your intentions and the universe. Your role is to align your energy and take inspired action, while the universe orchestrates the perfect timing and delivers the opportunities and resources required for your manifestations to unfold. To harness the law of attraction effectively, it is crucial to cultivate self-awareness and monitor your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. By consciously choosing positive thoughts, affirmations, and emotions aligned with your desires, you shift your energy and magnetize the experiences that support your manifestation journey. The law of assumption is a powerful principle that underpins the manifestation process. It is closely related to the law of attraction and works in conjunction with it to bring about our desired outcomes. The law of assumption states that we must assume the feeling and state of the wish fulfilled in order to manifest our desires. It means that we must believe that what we desire is already ours and act as if it is already a reality in our lives. When we assume the feeling of our desires being fulfilled, we create a mental and emotional state that aligns with our desired outcome, which in turn draws it closer to us. Assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled requires us to let go of any doubts, fears, or limiting beliefs that may stand in the way of our manifestation. It involves trusting in the universe and having faith that our desires are already on their way to us. By assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled, we are tapping into the power of the present moment and signaling to the universe that we are ready to receive what we desire. The law of assumption is a powerful tool for manifestation because it helps us to bypass the limitations of the rational mind and tap into the infinite potential of the universe. When we assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled, we are essentially creating a bridge between our current reality and the reality we desire. This bridge allows us to manifest our desires with greater ease and speed, as we are already living in the state of our desired outcome. In essence, the law of assumption is a reminder that we are the creators of our reality, and that we have the power to shape our lives in any way we choose. By assuming the feeling of our desires being fulfilled, we are aligning ourselves with the energy of abundance, joy, and fulfillment, and creating a magnetic force that attracts our desired outcomes to us. So, if you want to manifest your desires, remember to assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled and trust in the universe to bring it to you in perfect timing. Now, let's assume that for some reason, you are unable to empathize with the emotions of your needs and desires. What options are left for you? Every emotion can be replaced by gratitude. Gratitude is an essential component of manifestation because it helps to align our energy with the things we want to manifest. It is the feeling of being thankful and appreciative for what we have and what is to come, and it opens up our hearts and minds to receive more of what we desire. When we practice gratitude, we shift our focus from what we lack to what we have, and we begin to attract more abundance, joy, and fulfillment into our lives. This is because gratitude raises our vibration and puts us in a state of receiving, which is necessary for manifestation to occur. Moreover, gratitude helps us to cultivate a positive attitude and a sense of well-being, which are essential for manifesting our desires. When we are in a positive state of mind, we are more likely to attract positive experiences and people into our lives. This positivity creates a ripple effect that impacts all aspects of our lives and helps us to manifest more of what we want. In addition, gratitude also helps to dissolve any negative emotions, such as fear, doubt, or worry, that may hinder our manifestation. By focusing on the good in our lives, we are less likely to dwell on the negative and more likely to attract positive outcomes. If you want to learn more about different manifestation techniques, self-improvement, or just want to get inspired, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. When you find yourself lacking emotions or uncertain about what you want to manifest, the first step is to embrace the power of clarity. Take time for introspection and self-reflection. Engage in activities that quiet the mind, such as meditation or journaling. By stilling the noise within, you create space for clarity to emerge. Ask yourself probing questions to uncover your true desires and intentions. If you are unsure about what you want to manifest, exploring your core values and passions can provide invaluable guidance. Reflect on the aspects of life that bring you joy, fulfillment, and a sense of purpose. Identify the activities or experiences that light a spark within you. By aligning your manifestations with your core values, you infuse them with a deep sense of authenticity and meaning. Manifestation is not solely about wishing for something. It requires active participation in the co-creation process. When emotions elude you, focus on taking inspired action. Start with small steps towards your desires, even if they seem unrelated or insignificant. Each action creates momentum and opens doors for further clarity and inspiration to flow into your life. While living in the wish fulfilled may seem challenging without emotions, cultivating an imaginative mindset can bridge the gap. Engage your imagination to vividly picture the end result of your manifestation, even if you don't feel the emotions associated with it. Imagine the details, the sensations, and the impact it would have on your life. Allow your imagination to paint a picture so compelling that it stirs your inner motivation. When emotions are absent, it becomes crucial to trust the process and surrender to the unfolding of life. Release any attachment to the outcome and trust that the universe has a perfect plan for you. Cultivate an unwavering belief that everything is working in your favor, even if you cannot fully comprehend or feel it at the moment. Embrace surrender as an act of faith and open yourself to receive the manifestations aligned with your highest good. If you find it challenging to manifest without emotions or uncertainty, seek support and guidance. Connect with like-minded individuals who understand your journey and can offer insights and encouragement. Consider working with a coach, mentor, or therapist who specializes in manifestation or personal development. They can provide valuable tools, techniques, and perspectives to help you navigate this unique phase of your manifestation journey. By embracing clarity, exploring your core values, taking inspired action, and cultivating an imaginative mindset, you unlock the doors to manifesting specific desires, even in the absence of emotions. Trust the process, surrender to the divine flow, and seek support when needed. Remember, manifestation is a co-creative dance with the universe, and your unwavering intention and alignment will guide you towards the manifestation of your dreams. Embrace the journey, for it is in these unique experiences that your true power unfolds. There are several reasons why you shouldn't give up on manifestation, even when it may seem like your desires are not manifesting as quickly or easily as you had hoped. Firstly, manifestation is a process, and like any process, it takes time, effort, and practice. Just as a musician must practice their instrument to improve, and an athlete must train to build their strength and endurance, manifesting requires consistent effort and perseverance. Giving up on manifestation too soon can mean missing out on the rewards that come from dedicated practice and effort. Secondly, giving up on manifestation can lead to feelings of defeat, disappointment, and frustration. When we give up on our desires, we may lose hope and faith in ourselves and our abilities to create the life we want. This can lead to a negative spiral of thoughts and emotions that can impact all areas of our lives. Thirdly, giving up on manifestation means that we miss out on the many benefits that come from practicing manifestation techniques. Manifestation encourages us to focus on what we want and to become more aware of the abundance that surrounds us. This shift in perspective can lead to a greater sense of gratitude, joy, and positivity, which can impact all areas of our lives. Finally, giving up on manifestation means that we miss out on the potential rewards and opportunities that come from creating the life we desire. When we focus on our desires and take action towards them, we open ourselves up to new possibilities, new connections, and new experiences that we may not have otherwise encountered. In summary, giving up on manifestation can lead to missed opportunities, negative emotions, and a sense of defeat. Manifestation is a process that requires time and effort, but the rewards of dedicated practice can be life-changing. So, don't give up on your manifestation journey. Keep practicing, stay positive, and trust in the universe to bring your desires to fruition. Remember, you possess within you an immense power, the power to manifest your deepest desires and create a life of limitless abundance. Embrace the clarity that comes from introspection and self-reflection. Quiet the noise within through meditation and journaling. Uncover your true desires and intentions by asking yourself probing questions. And when you find yourself lacking emotions or uncertain about what to manifest, know that this is just a temporary state, a mere pause in the grand symphony of your manifestation journey. Never forget that you are the architect of your reality, the sculptor of your destiny. In your hands lies the power to shape a future filled with abundance, joy, and fulfillment. Trust in yourself, trust in the process, and trust that the universe is conspiring to bring forth all that your heart desires. As we part ways for now, I leave you with my deepest gratitude for joining me on this transformative journey. May your manifestations be abundant, your dreams become your reality, and your life be a testament to the power of your unwavering belief. Believe in yourself, believe in the power of manifestation, and always remember, my dear friends, that you have the power to create a life beyond your wildest dreams. Be open to receiving, and I hope to see you in my future.